Hi guys, I'm back with another video. I do not know what this is. I'm guessing it's the Love Yourself Tour in New York DVD, but we are about to find out. This got delivered literally like 5 minutes ago, so I'm really excited. Once again, hope to be able to pull JK. Is it the New York DVD? It is. Yeah, it is. I did manage to trade my Yoongi photo card for a Jungkook one, so that worked out. My Love Yourself in Seoul DVD is also on its way, so soon I'll be able to say that I have all three, which is probably not a good thing for my bank account, but well, I like it, so let's just ignore that. Okay. Have to get it out. BTS World Tour New York. These weren't stains. I thought last time, it's just the packaging, but it looks like a stain. Just I'm not crazy. All right, let's open this up. So if I can get it open. Yes. Alright, here we have the DVDs. It's really pretty pink purple DVDs. Yes, once again, second DVD is the making film, and the first part is the concert with the last bit on the second one. Still haven't watched my Europe DVD. Still need to get around to that, but this way I can have a BTS Love Yourself Tour marathon, I guess. A family picture. I love this so much. They're so cute. Just look at JK. He's so cute. Let's put that back. The photo card. This time I know their name is on the back of it, so I'm not just going to turn it around. I'll keep my finger over it and then I'll look, because I kind of ruined that for myself last time. If I can find it. Alright. Oh, JK. Jimin! Oh my gosh, look at him. Jimin, he's so cute. Oh, look at him. A little Jimin we got. Gosh, so cute. Well, this once again will be up for trade for Jungkook. Don't think he'll be up long, but we'll see. I'll just give y'all a quick flip through of the photo book. Yeah, pretty much the same as the last one, since well, it's the same concert, you know, and all. But yeah, I'll just flip through it real quick. Hobie, our Euphoria, Tay, Jimin, Juni. Yes, the whole club, they look so good. Look at how badass they look. Love it. Taekook. Oh my gosh. Yoongi. Hobie. Seesaw once again. Epiphany. Jinny. Well, yeah, look. This is outro tier, which is always very, very enjoyable. Oh my gosh. I did not know this was the New York concert where this pic was taken. They put it in a photo booth. Oh my gosh. This makes me so sad to see them like this. But I know they're crying of happiness, but just them crying, it's just... The ending mans. Yeah. It's the stadium. It's so big. Yeah. Gosh, they always look so good in their own clothes. It sounds stupid, but casual BTS is my fave. Right. Yeah, the last pics. Yeah, that was it. Alright. Well, thank you for watching my very short unboxing once again. I just received an email from my group order manager that my Love Yourself Tour in Seoul DVD arrived. So yeah, you guys can look out for that. I also got my Persona albums. I didn't unbox those. Well, I did, of course, but I didn't film it. I can make a flip through of those, though, with my photo card pulls and all. If you want, I also got a signed Dark and Wild album, which I'm so excited about. So yeah, I can include that in a video. And yeah, if you guys have any other stuff you'd like to see, like a photo card collection or a BTS album and DVD and stuff collection, I can always do that. So please leave a comment and a like and subscribe. And I know it's basic, but it really helps me. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.